How to use may, can, and could when asking for permission. 1. May, formal and polite, often used in more formal settings, suggests a higher level of respect or asking for official permission. Example: may I leave the meeting early? May I borrow your pen? 2. Can, informal and casual, used in everyday situations. It's less about politeness and more about ability in some cases, though it can still be used for permission. Can still be used for permission. Example: can I use your laptop? Can we go outside? 3. Could. Polite and more tentative than can. Often used when asking permission in a more polite or indirect way, showing some uncertainty. Example: could I have a word with you? Could we possibly change the meeting time? Summary: use may for formal requests. Use can for informal or general requests. Use could when being more polite or unsure.